This stuff sure is smelly.
And Charlie? This is from Corpus, Texas. Wow, awesome. Maybe I can tour someday. Bye bye. Just stayed up and watched 2.75 hours. Zeitgeist. Zeitgeist 2011 movie. Much different from original 2007 version. I watched it in 2007. Much better. So much to think about or to dream about, as I am definitely hidden